Whenever I go roaming, get this kind of yearning, follow my heart to Tasmania.
So I've imported my Christmas tree. This is actually going on a sweet jar for my wife. It's what she's requested, so okay, resize. No, I wanted 110 in the Y. 110. Okay. There we are. And this is actually going onto a round object, so I'm going to have to be very careful how I position this, which is fairly easy actually. And this is going on glass, so I'll just get the object. So this is the object it's going on. It's got two sort of flat sides, so you can either put it like this or like that, and of course get your hand inside to get the sweets out of. I'm going to put a nativity scene on the other side, and of course the Christmas tree on that side, and I'll show you how to line that up in the laser and etch it. So what we're going to do now is on the black layer, which is determined down here, double click, etch in. Now in this case on glass, 300 is fine, bi-direction, blow in, 20mm minimum and 22mm maximum. That's okay, that's all right. Actually, in fact, I'm going to set that a little bit lower, because it's into glass, it'll stand out more. 0.9. Okay, I'm going to press OK. Okay, so we'll post that now to the laser, and I'll show you how to set the laser up. Right, so first we need to send the Z right the way down. Now what these magnets are going to do is hold this from wobbling around. Lock it into place, because while the head is moving back and forth, sometimes it can vibrate it from its position where you want it. That looks pretty okay to me. So now we're going to set the Z height on this. So now we'll set the datum over here. Thank heavens for laser pointers. That's okay. I'm going to call that good. So I'm going to call that my datum point. So I've got 90mm from here to here, and 110 from here to here, and glass is 100. You know, I can come back down this way a little bit more, I think. I'm going to call that good. So now I'm going to set the datum. Origin. Now I'm going to do a test which will run around, and that will determine whether I am going to get it all in that area. And test. That looks pretty good to me. So now we will run the program. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually shut the light off inside, because when you're machining on glass or etching on glass, when you don't have floodlights on it, you can see it a lot better. So I'll just turn the lights away. It gets very bright here with the laser. So here we go.
Small town boy with love on his mind, never knew what that love would find. Helping out around the home, dreaming of distant lands to roam. Just a young boy.
Okay, I've set up for the nativity scene now, and I've put you in sideways at an angle, so you can see more of the process. So I've already set it up, so it's just press start and we're ready to go.
Streets of pain, trying to avoid it, all in vain. And out my window I see you. And out my window I feel somewhat blue. And out my window only pain. But out my window I take in the view. Then that boy became a man, took that music to distant lands, talked with men so wise and true, shed that skin he grew and grew. But just a young boy looking information, just a young boy hiding from the rain. But all he found, streets of pain, tried to avoid it, all in vain. And out my window I see you. And out my window I feel somewhat blue. And out my window only pain.
So there's a couple of nice examples of product. And I can hear you say now, why is he showing us Christmas decorations and it's not Christmas? Well, because this is the time of year where you start production of making your items ready for Christmas. And this really was to show you product that you can make and how easy it really is if you know what you're doing. And I hope I've given you the tools, or I'm giving you the tools to be able to carry out this process yourself and make a home business. Now, I will warn you, this is not a machine that you can purchase from eBay, unfortunately. This is a professional machine, and professional machines are not cheap. Just the laser tube in here alone is over $1,000. Now go to my YouTube channel and look at video 207. I go into great detail about this particular machine and laser tubes in particular. Because unfortunately most of the manufacturers, certainly on eBay, sell their machines on the maximum possible output of their laser tube. And if you run that machine at that maximum output, you're going to kill your laser. Now if you go to 207, I explain how and why. So please, if you're considering purchasing a laser, purchase from a reputable company or stockist, because if you purchase directly off eBay, just to give you an idea of costs, to land this one here, you are not going to get any change out of $8,000, and that's the reality. You might be able to purchase a machine for $3,000 or $4,000 on eBay. It's not the machine that's going to last very long or do this sort of product. It just won't happen. You'll be throwing your money away. It's a minefield out there. You need to be very careful, and I hope I've explained to you and given you the tools to purchase a machine. Look back in my previous videos for all the pitfalls of purchasing a laser. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you come in, call in again and see one of my other videos regarding CNC routers, wood turning, CNC milling or mini mill, and I have another machine coming which I think you'll be interested in as well, and of course lasers and the operating systems that run them. So thank you for joining me. Subscribe to my channel, press like, and bye for now.